Have you ever got so frustrated because you just couldn't pull off the trendy Foxy eyeliner on your hooded eyes? I've been there and done that, so you just came to the right place. Hello everyone, my name is Kelly. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to elongate your hooded eyes with Foxy eyeliner and with a different technique than the one I show you in my wing eyeliner video. If you didn't have a good result with that one, try this. First and the most important step, prep your eyes. I prep mine with MAC Prep and Prime 24-hour Extend Eye Base. Put it all over my lids, then set it with the Mercier translucent setting powder. Or you can use an eyeshadow that has the same color as your skin tone. If you have discoloration on your eyelids, you can use concealer to cover that then set. Next, I use a flat angle brush like this brow brush from Anastasia Beverly Hills and Maybelline Lasting Drama Gel Liner to draw eyeliner. For beginners, I really recommend using gel liner or eyeliner pencil as it's easy to manage than liquid or felt tip eyeliner. But you can use anything you have on hand as long as you feel comfortable using it and it gets the job done for you. Get some gel liner out on the back of my hand, then warm up and load it on the brush. Just get enough product, you don't need too much. Now put the mirror in front of you with the same level as your eyes. Look straight in the mirror, then tilt your head up and look down to the mirror at 45 degrees angle. It creates the best wing for me at this angle, but everyone's eye shape is very different, so you should try and experiment on yourself to find out the angle that works best for your eye shape. Remember to keep the mirror in the same place the whole time. Now I put the brush at the outer corner of my eye to create a straight line extending my lower lash line and create a flick like so. Then step back and check if I like the direction of it or not. With hooded eyes, it's best to avoid messing with the hood. That means we want to create the flick below the hood. That looks good to me. And for Foxy eyeliner, I want to make it longer and thicker. It helps to elongate the eyes. If you have shaky hands or couldn't draw it straight, I have a video on how to draw straight and even eyeliner on both eyes. I will put it in the description box if you like to check it out after this. When I'm satisfied with the length of the liner, I start making the triangle by dragging the liner towards the eyes, keeping it thin and really close at the lash line at first. Don't go too thick too fast, as building up the thickness is easier than removing or fixing it. And only drag the liner until you meet the pupil. Don't go all the way up to the inner corner, as we want longer eyes, not bigger eyes. And with hooded eyes, we don't have a lot of lid space, so we want to still see that space, even just a little bit. Then I use my nail to make the liner a little bit sharper and blend it into the skin. Now I slowly build it up and make it slightly thicker. Just go for the thickness you want, but remember to go slow. Now moving to the hardest part, and I'm not kidding you. The hardest part is making the liner look even on both sides. It's impossible to make them symmetrical, but I will show you how to make them almost the same. As you can see, the liner I just drew is not in the straight line with my lower lash line, so I tilt my head up and look down to the mirror at 45 degrees, just like when we started, until I see the liner on the side I already did. Create a straight line with the lower lash line. That's where I stop moving and start drawing liner. Create a flick and stop, step back, and look straight to the mirror to check if the liners are the same angle on both sides. If you're okay with it, continue doing the same thing on the other side. If not, just remove and redo it. As you can see, I keep checking and go really slow. Don't rush. Moving to the inner corner eyeliner. As you can see, if I look straight in the mirror and draw a line continuing my upper lash line, it's gonna go straight out, and that's not looking good at all. The direction we want the liner to go is towards the bridge of the nose, and it has to be the same direction as the wing. Then create a straight line like so. Step back and check from far away to see if it's in the direction that we want. Then make a baby triangle to connect to my upper lash line. Remember to keep your head tilt up and look down to the mirror while doing this. I have a fold right at my tear duct, so I'm gonna cover that with the liner as well. Then I use a really tiny clean brush without any product on to make it more pointy. This is the square detailer brush from Real Techniques. If you don't have this brush, just use an eyeliner pen with a really thin tip. As I have the fold there, so I'm not gonna extend the liner to the lower lash line. It's just not flattering on me, but you can do it if you like. Then move to the other side, do the same thing. But this time we have to also check with the other inner liner to make sure that they are at the same level, not one high and one low. I know it can be very frustrating to do eyeliner sometimes, so don't get too hard on yourself if you couldn't do it right the first time. With practice, everything will get easier. All you need to do is learn how to work with your eye shape. Then I use a waterproof eyeliner pencil to highlight my upper waterline. This is Maybelline Tattoo Studio Gel Pencil Liner. This step helps to make the liner more cohesive and define my eyes without taking any lid space, which is exactly what we want with hooded eyes. Remember to disinfect and sharpen the pencil after every use to prevent eye infection, as we use it really close to the eyes. After that, I finished up with the mascara. This is the Covergirl Lash Plus Waterproof Mascara. I'm not using any falsies today, but if you like, you can use falsies that flare out at the end to lift and elongate the eyes even more. And that's it for today's video. I hope you guys find this tutorial helpful. Please like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next one. Bye.